Hey everyone out there in lockdown land, Dan Moen from Legrand here to tell you about an exciting new product from Wire Mold, the Outdoor Ground Box. This is a UL listed box, carries a NEMA 6P rating, and is capable of providing safe, convenient access to permanent powers outdoors. So the NEMA 6P rating means it's capable of full submersion in up to 6 feet of water for up to 24 hours. And it maintains that rating while in use. How we do that is our diving bell design. So we have the devices recessed up into the cover here in this cavity. When I go ahead and plug in my power cord, route the cord through the cable guide and close the cover, a flap pops down here to allow that cable to egress, cover's locked into place. So now what we've done is created that diving bell I mentioned. So water levels can rise within this box and recede, and those terminations will stay dry. The box is Tier 5 load rated, meaning intermittent vehicular traffic, or 5,000 pounds. It is a single service box, meaning it's all power or all data. If you want to do multiple services, we do have clips on the side that allow the boxes to gang together, creating a seamless look from above. You'll notice here we show 2 duplexes. You can do those either dual circuit or single. We also offer 30 amp turn locks up to 250 volts. You'll also notice the devices are not GFCI devices. UL stipulated that in order to list this box, they wanted to see protection upstream from the box. The reason being a GFCI is only going to protect downstream faults. So if you had a fault condition between the device and the panel, it may not pick that up, therefore you could have a potentially unsafe condition. So as I stated, UL has stipulated that protected at the breaker or dead front style device upstream from that box. It's available in multiple colors. It does come pre-wired from the factory, and we have great installation videos available for you on YouTube, and I'll put a link to those in the description below. If you have an application you think this would be right for, or any questions, please reach out to me, and I appreciate your time today. I look forward to seeing everybody real soon, and if you want to see a video of a project I took on with the Ground Box, check out the description below, and I'll link to that as well.